Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Hello, Jennifer. Hello, listener.
How are you, Levent?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. Today, we learn how to ask and tell the time.
Great. Let's learn to tell time in English.
Yes, that is very useful. First, vocabulary. Repeat after me, slowly. Time,
Time,
hour,
hour,
minute,
minute,
o'clock,
o'clock,
half past,
half past,
a.m.,
a.m.,
p.m.
p.m.
Good. These are the main words. O'clock means an exact hour.
O'clock is an exact hour.
Half past means 30 minutes after the hour.
Half past means 30 minutes after.
A.m. is morning.
A.m. is morning.
P.m. is afternoon or evening.
P.m. is afternoon or evening.
Excellent. Next, the question you use. What time is it?
What time is it?
Very good. That is how you ask the time.
Yes.
Now, I will ask, and you answer. What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Great. Let's practice more. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock.
It's 7 o'clock.
What time is it? It's 12 o'clock.
It's 12 o'clock.
Good job. Let's focus on o'clock times. It's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 6 o'clock.
It's 6 o'clock.
It's 7 o'clock.
It's 7 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock.
And 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Let's count hours with o'clock. 1
o'clock. 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
Excellent, Levent. Now, we learn half past. Half past means 30 minutes after the hour. It's 1:30.
It's 1:30.
It's 2:30.
It's 2:30.
It's 3:30.
It's 3:30.
It's 4:30.
It's 4:30.
It's 5:30.
It's 5:30.
It's 6:30.
It's 6:30.
It's 7:30.
It's 7:30.
It's 8:30.
It's 8:30.
It's 9:30.
It's 9:30.
It's 10:30.
It's 10:30.
It's 11:30.
It's 11:30.
It's 12:30.
It's 12:30.
Let's say them again slowly. It's 1:30.
It's 1:30.
It's 2:30.
It's 2:30.
It's 3:30.
It's 3:30.
It's 4:30.
It's 4:30.
It's 5:30.
It's 5:30.
It's 6:30.
It's 6:30.
It's 7:30.
It's 7:30.
It's 8:30.
It's 8:30.
It's 9:30.
It's 9:30.
It's 10:30.
It's 10:30.
It's 11:30.
It's 11:30.
It's 12:30.
It's 12:30.
Let's put them together. 1:30 equals it's 1:30.
2:30 equals it's 2:30.
3:30 equals it's 3:30.
4:30 equals it's 4:30.
5:30 equals it's 5:30.
6:30 equals it's 6:30.
7:30 equals it's 7:30.
8:30 equals it's 8:30.
9:30 equals it's 9:30.
10:30 equals it's 10:30.
11:30 equals it's 11:30.
12:30 equals it's 12:30.
Good work. Sometimes we say hours and minutes, like 7:30 is 7:30. It's 7:30.
It's 7:30.
It's 2:15.
It's 2:15.
It's 4:45.
It's 4:45.
It's 9:20.
It's 9:20.
It's 6:10.
It's 6:10.
It's 11:05.
It's 11:05.
Excellent. Listener, now you try. I will say the numbers and you say the time. 3:45.
It's 3:45.
8:55.
It's 8:55.
12:20.
It's 12:20.
Good job. Next, AM and PM. Use AM for the morning hours, midnight to midday.
AM is morning.
Use PM for the afternoon, evening, and night hours.
PM is afternoon and evening.
Example, 7:30 AM. It's 7:30 in the morning.
It's 7:30 a.m. in the morning.
6 p.m. It's 6 o'clock in the evening.
It's 6 p.m. in the evening.
9:15 a.m. It's 9:15 in the morning.
It's 9:15 a.m. in the morning.
11:45 p.m. It's 11:45 at night.
It's 11:45 p.m. at night.
Good. Listener, try this. What is 2 p.m.?
It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
What is 8:30 a.m.?
It's 8:30 in the morning.
Very good. Now we do a conversation. Levent, what time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
What time will it be in 30 minutes?
It will be 10:30.
What time will it be after 1 hour?
It will be 11 o'clock.
Good. Now another. What time is it now?
It's 2:30.
What time will it be in 20 minutes?
It will be 2:50.
Nice work. Listener, you can try with the clock. Look at the time, say the time, add 30 or 20 minutes, and say the new time. You can do this. Just practice. Let's review all the phrases we teach today. What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 7:30.
It's 7:30.
It's 7:30.
It's 7:30.
AM, PM.
AM, PM.
Now, I will say times, and you and listener answer. What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 3:30.
What time is it?
It's 8:45.
What time is it?
It's 12:15.
Perfect. Let's review all the phrases we went over today. What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 7:30.
It's 7:30.
It's 7:30.
It's 7:30.
AM, PM.
AM, PM.
Now I will say times and you and listener answer. What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 3:30.
What time is it?
It's 8:45.
What time is it?
It's 12:15.
Perfect. Today we learned many important things about time. We learned vocabulary, time, hour, minute, o'clock, 1/2 AM, PM.
Yes.
We learned to ask, what time is it?
What time is it?
We learned to tell time. It's 3 o'clock. It's 7:30. It's 7:30. Using AM, PM.
I remember them all.
You did great, Levent.
Thank you, Jennifer.
And thank you, listener. You did great too. Keep practicing. Look at the clocks. Ask, what time is it?
Yes.
Next time, we will learn places in town or directions.
That's good.
Okay, see you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.